Hey, man, we're back at it again. Here we go, man. Come on, y'all. Get up, get started. Everybody start dancing, start singing, whatever you got to do. Get fired up. Come on, it's Friday. By the time you watch the video, it might be Saturday, Sunday. I don't even know, but it's Friday now. Nah, that don't mean nothing. When you work all the time, Friday ain't nothing but another day to pay the bills. Nothing else. All right, man, what we got here, man, is a Club Car DS. Under here is a year, and the year is... I'll let y'all answer that. I'll tell you at the end of the video what year it is. I'll probably forget, but I'm going to try to tell you. All right, man, what we got here, man, the customer says the car quits running. Gas car. They put a new spark plug in it, and it runs sometimes it don't. So we're going to see what's going on with it. Let's see. Oh, yeah, for all the people that say, man, my video's shaky and it's record from something else, you try making a video and recording by yourself. All right, man, no bullshit. Let's get to work. Oh man, while I'm thinking about it, let me show you this. Look at that. Got a piece of metal in my eye, man, and it cut my dang on cornea the other day. It slid it in 2 slots. So I'm doing one eye wheelie today. Alright, man, so it seems to run fine. So what we're going to do here is just start grabbing wires and see if we can try something. Under here, this is a club car that's got a micro switch in the box here, which controls the fire. And then you have under here, you have an RPM limiter, which is right there. And then you have, let's see what we got. All right, this is your wire to your coil. This is your RPM limiter. And then, all right, this is the kind that's got an igniter on the back of the RPM limiter. So they went from this style, which is a igniter on the back of this box, to they put the igniter and everything in one, which meaning after this style, they went to putting everything in this igniter box, this box here. And then after they went to that, they left that and started putting the igniter and everything in one coil. So what we're going to do is just let it hang there. See if we can get it to quit running. There, come here, hit the gas, huh? Now I'm gonna try to wiggle the wire while you hit the wiggle the wires on here on this box, it actually quit running. So the problem is going to be in the RPM limiter. Believe it or not, man, I haven't seen one of these in about a year. We've had 2 of these in the last probably month, but the other style didn't have this igniter back here. And what I'm gonna do is show you, let me see here. So you had to take the igniter off of it. Who's there, Travis? What I was saying, I cut my eye, man. I went to the hospital and they said that I cut it in 2 slots. So now my cornea is open. My eye's open now, so I got to be careful or I can mess my eye up permanent. So I got to wear a mask. Not a mask, but I got to wear this patch I got on. What we're going to do, we're going to take this bracket off here. I'm going to show y'all what the igniter looks like. Alright, there's one bolt there. Then you have another bolt. I burned the hell out of my damn arm somehow. Dang. Another bolt is, where's it at? Right there, they got it hidden. Alright, there's your other box. What I'm going to do is take this loose. Take this off here. We're gonna look at the igniter and look at all the connections, just to see why when you wiggle the wires it cuts off. Like I said, man, I started numbering my videos, man. All my videos I started numbering on the top left, or if there's a picture on the top left, I started labeling on the bottom left. All right, we're gonna pull this out here. Let's see right here, where's it go at? All right, right here. All right, so that's left to your coil right there. That goes back to your coil. The wire comes from here, plugs into the rev limiter. Let's see. This is your rev limiter here, little rev limiter box. And your igniter is right here. This is your igniter. It's on the back side of this bracket. They're bad for going bad, but normally when they go bad, it doesn't fire at all. But let's see if we see anything that's going to cause bad connection. Like anytime I would push back on here, anytime I push back on that inside the box, it would do it. All connections look good. Now this is your wire here from your rev limiter. This is your wire. Make sure it's tight. Once you put this back in here, like this. Now when I put it back in, once I get a new one, when I put it back in, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up, make sure this is tight, and then I'll just bolt this down as a whole assembly. And like I always say about everything else, the cheaper ones you buy are gonna be nothing but a headache. So unplug this, make sure this is a good connection. No corrosion nowhere. Let's check this one more time. See, on the newer style, you can just bypass the RPM limiter. But on this here with igniter, you can't bypass it, so you have to actually buy a new one. Everything looks good on here, man. Everything looks good. No corrosion. Nothing like that. But all right, man, y'all stay tuned, man. I'll post some more.